Hello everyone, welcome back to Prodhart channel. Today we are discussing the best memory foam mattress. Have you been contemplating on what best memory foam mattress to buy? A good night's sleep is a luxury that everyone loves, and memory foam mattresses can help you get one of the most luxurious nights of sleep of your life. The marketplace is full of countless products of mattresses, one of the best being memory foam. But still, a myriad of people pay their memory foam experiences with something they would have likely avoided. Speaking about memory foam, it is essential to know that the product has been in the business for about 2 decades now. What initially came to be known as memory foam was a combination of uncomfortably soft and vicious hot foam. Luckily, the quality has improved manyfold, and today memory foam mattresses are used for orthopedics and in locations of scorching temperatures to get the best cool and comfortable sleep experience. Here is how technology redefined memory foam. Also known as temper and viscoelastic polyfoam, memory foam is technically a polyurethane product. The different property that sets this foam mattress apart from others is its viscoelastic properties. Made with compounds other than just foam, viscoelastic foam is a combination of viscous thick properties for support and yet elastic shape, conforming for a comfortable sleep experience. But the best part is the modern day added compounds that have transformed this otherwise too soft and hot mattress into a breathable and firm enough material for the perfect bedding. The mattress allows the weight of your body to distribute equally around the mattress surface, reduces pressure points on hips, shoulders while sleeping, and has foam retention ability to fit the individual sleeper perfectly. The airflow material that has made all the difference in memory foam mattress helps air circulation and ample heat distribution, help to not sweat while resting. Types of memory foam mattresses. Traditional memory foam mattress. Known as the traditional foam mattress, as this was what most people associate with memory foam mattresses. The conventional mattress has a closed cell design. Incredible insulating and body heat capturing. Use these mattresses only if you live in an unusually cold place. Conventionally, these mattresses do not have any cooling gel or added compounds for a night of better sleep. Gel memory foam mattress. The gel memory foam mattresses add the goodness of memory foam mattress to a calm, comfortable sleep. Your body will not overheat during sleeping and you will not sweat excessively because the gel foam will distribute the body heat and lower the temperature. Hence, this is recommended as the best memory foam mattress in India, keeping the tropical climate in view. Open cell memory foam mattress. One of the best memory foam mattresses you will come around will open cell memory foam mattress are made of excellent breathable material that allows steady air circulation for cooling effect. The open cell pattern also allows for a fair body weight distribution, hence is suitable for people who have trouble sleeping in their desired sleeping positions. Benefits of buying a memory foam mattress. Exceptional support. Conventionally, memory foam mattresses are thought to be excruciatingly soft, with no support whatsoever. But now, foam mattresses are made with high density foam, which provides ample support yet does not render it too firm. When combined with a firm base layer, the viscoelastic material, otherwise not too supporting, can exceptionally carry and conform to the sleeper's comfort, creating the perfect soft to firm balance. If layers such as copper or gel beads are added, not only does the support increase, but so does the relative ease of sleeping. Orthopedic use. Memory foam mattresses presently excel at their sleeping comfort, providing doctors with the capability to recommend them for orthopedic uses. Anyone who suffers from heightened joint aches can comfortably find their sleep haven with a memory foam mattress. The material allows the perfect sinking into a luxurious feeling and provides the support that a pain body will be requiring. Relieves pressure points. It is the most annoying thing to wake up in the middle of what could be a deep sleep to realize that your hips or shoulders have gone sore from carrying the burnt of the weight as you slept. A memory foam mattress does not allow pressure points to build up and provides an equal body weight distribution. This, however, takes the pressure off your joints and helps you sleep with a second's discomfort. Secondly, the layers are set to allow for ease of motion isolation, not to disturb your sleeping partner. What to consider before you buy the mattress? You can never be too prepared to make a life altering change, such as getting a new bed mattress that might redefine your sleep. But with these tips to remember, you can be prepared enough. We have come up with two more points That could help a bit in your buying guide. Layer density and thickness. Look for the layer densities that will support your body weight the best. Also remember that thick layers are suitable for heftier people, while thinner mattresses are usually comfortable for thin people. Adjustment period. Do look for a free adjustment period of at least 30 days to make sure the mattress is comfortable. Here are a few recommended best memory foam mattresses for you. Emma Mattress Comfort King Size Memory Foam Mattress. The award-winning Emma mattress is made with Ergocell foam, which allows for the best air circulation, and the mattress layers provide for the just right sleeping element you will require. If you have struggled with fume odors from mattresses or cannot sleep on a synthetic material, it will help to know that Emma mattresses are made from organic and vegan materials. These materials ensure that no allergies are triggered, and mostly the vegan materials provide that you get no bed acne. The zipped cover you can remove, paired with the 100-day free trial and 20 years warranty, are features to kill for. Pros: suitable for all people regardless of age, weight and body shape. Ergocell breathability for temperature regulation. Cons: none. Live Pure Natural Ayurvedic Memory Foam Mattress. You can never go wrong with the perfect combination of Ayurveda and technology, and Live Pure strikes just the right balance. Its 6 to 8 inch thick mattresses are made with a natural memory foam rather than synthetic material. The top cover of the mattress is infused with sandalwood and lavender for a rejuvenating experience, and natural sourcing reduces carbon footprint. The bacteria and dirt repelling bed is an authentic experience to sleep on. Pros: suitable for trouble sleepers and insomniac people, 100% natural and germ repellent. Ideal for all body weight sleepers. Cons: none. WakeFit Orthopedic Memory Foam Mattresses. You cannot experience the utmost comfort sleeping if you have not yet invested in WakeFit's dual surface mattress. The high density memory foam is perfect for orthopedic patients and provides the right support for ensuring a pain free night. The mattress is therapeutic as you will instantly feel relaxed and calm as you come in touch with its soft bedding. It comes with optimal air inflow to lower the temperature and reduce heat buildup. Hence, the best memory foam mattresses in India. It is one of the most recommended mattresses by doctors to decrease back pain. Pros: two surfaces for choosing a soft or medium firm mattress. Can be shifted as the climate changes. Ideal for orthopedics. Cons: not as thick as certain people might wish. Buying guide. All these products have links in the description. You can check them out from the description box below. Emma Mattress Comfort King Size Memory Foam Mattress. Material Viscoelastic Ergocell. Warranty 20 years. Dimensions 78 into 72 into 8 inches. Live Pure Ortho X 6 inches orthopedic memory foam mattress king size. Material Cool Gel Memory Foam. Warranty 10 years. Dimensions 198 cm into 183 cm into 15 cm. WakeFit Orthopedic Memory Foam Mattress Single Bed Size. Material Memory Foam. Warranty 10 years. Dimensions 72 into 36 into 5 inches. Conclusion: a mattress with a good build can change your life. You can wake up fresher than ever and readier to take on for the day. Hence, memory foam mattresses are such mattresses that help you sink into the most comfortable rest and allow you to wake up feeling fit and rested. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like the video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to Prodher channel.